Hey everyone, it's Pixel. Today we're going to be making cracked chicken wet burritos. And for that we're going to need about 3 chicken breasts worth of shredded chicken, cream, a can of red enchilada sauce, burrito shells, about a cup of shredded cheese, a container of cream cheese, half a cup of green onions, a good half a cup of bacon crumbled and diced, a packet of ranch, and a small container of sour cream. Well, this should be interesting. At least I think so. So let's go. Into our chicken, we're going to add our sour cream, cream cheese at room temperature, our shredded cheese, our ranch mix, most of our green onions, and our bacon. And that's going to get mixed together thoroughly. Alright, once our mixture is all well combined like this, we're going to take one of our shells, give it a good little scoop of our burrito fillings. And roll it up like so. I'll be taking those, putting them as close as you can to seam down into our pan. And you're going to want to do this until most of the filling is used and you have probably a good 10 in there. Alright, see you back in a little bit. Alright, before we cook our burritos, we will be putting in a can of our enchilada sauce. And then taking the can, filling it up about halfway or so with cream. We'll give that a good stir. In the long run, I managed to get 7 in there and used up all of our chicken. Okay, it's all ready to assemble. We're just going to pour that sauce over the burritos. And to top that off, we'll take a little bit more of our shredded cheese and put it over the top. This is going to be going into our oven at 350 for the next 30 minutes. And after a good 30-35 minutes, your casserole will look like this. Of course, mine got a little too brown in some spots, but that's okay. That kind of cheese gives it a great flavor. And as usual, we will let this come to room temperature 10 or 15 minutes from now and dig in. So I'll see you there. Alright, we have taken our burritos out of the oven. They look amazing. I've already cut up 2 little pieces of this, so let's dig in and try it out. Well, our wet burritos turned out amazing. There's a little kick to them thanks to the sauce. Of course, I did buy hot. You can always buy medium or mild. The cheese helps soothe that out a little, as does the cream that we added to our sauce, and the insides are amazing. Cracked chicken is one of those recipes that's been floating around the internet, and they've put it in everything from pasta to salads to casseroles, and finally now burritos. I think trying it out was amazing. It's a pretty easy meal to make, and if you're on a run or, don't have a lot of time to cook later. Well, you know the drill, people. If you like what you saw, have any thoughts, would have made it different, you know what to do. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time.